Let's say that if I wanted to export this model so that it can actually run on my edge device, right? So how can I actually export it? Again, I will take help of the documentation part, right? So if I just go here in the documentation part, let me show you the documentation. This is the documentation. If I just go in the Ultralytics, right? So I will go to the export. Okay, inside the export, what I need to do is that I will just copy this part. That's it. Okay, model.export. That's it. So if I just go and just write it here, model.export, so that is basically ONNX, which means that ONNX is basically a universal way of downloading your pre-trained model. Okay, so the pre-trained model maybe have a lot of extension. Let's say the .pt extension you have, then let's say the TFRT TensorFlow extension you will be having. Okay, so .onx extension you will be having. Similarly, like running on the multiple edge devices, you will be having a lot of extension, right? So if I just going to export it, so I will be exporting this model into my .onx, right? So it will start exporting the model. So let it first do, right? Okay, so my model is basically exported in test2 and then wait. If I go to the text2, if I go to wait, best.onx file. Okay, so this is also one of those export, like in a way you can actually export the model in different extension. Okay, let me see the other extension what I have. Okay, so these are the extension you will be having. See, these are the extension you will be having. Okay, these are the export format. So as you can see that this is basically, if you wanted to export it in the format of PyTorch, you can export it, ONNX, OpenVINO, TensorRT, CoreML. So these are different export you wanted to try to export the model based on your use cases. Okay, so just follow this documentation, you will get to know about everything. Okay, so because I myself, like after gaining so much experience, I still follow this documentation, right? Because it is already properly managed, right? Now these things now, so I have already so let me download this ONNX model as well, right? So in my local system, if you see, right, in my local system, you will be getting the two model, right? One is like the .pt extension model and the other thing is like .onx model. Okay,